What's up guys, this is Coach Donnie with ElevateYourself.org. In this video, we'll learn some advanced bump setting techniques. Before you continue watching this video, make sure that you watch the first part of this video series about the fundamentals of bump setting first by clicking up here. Also, get 5% off your entire purchase at All Volleyball, which is my favorite place to shop for volleyball gear, shoes, and equipment. Use the discount code in the description box. If you would like me to personally help you improve your volleyball skills, then sign up for my online volleyball coaching service where I can coach you remotely and help you take your game to the next level. Click the link below to learn more about how to sign up. First, we'll talk about how to improve the accuracy and the tempo of your bump set. In order to increase the accuracy of your bump set, use your platform to trace the trajectory that you want the ball to follow. Then point your thumbs at the peak of the trajectory. The further away you are from your target, the more energy that you have to put into the ball, because you have to generate more force to have the ball travel further, which means more follow through and body movement. The closer you are to your target, the less energy that you have to put into the ball, which means less follow through and body movement. The same goes for managing the height and the tempo of your bump set. The higher the set, the more energy is required. The lower and faster the set, the less energy is required. As a setter, you want to keep your hitters in rhythm and as close to the tempo of your hand set when possible. Now we'll talk about 2 advanced bump setting techniques. If you're far away and moving away from your setting target, simply performing the same bump setting movement will not generate enough power. So you must rotate your body and jump so that the ball can travel even further. You should still try to follow through toward your target for setting accuracy. If the ball is low and you have to dive, you will have limited range of motion with your arms and will not have the use of leg power. So all of your power has to be generated with your arms, specifically your forearms. This is done by exaggerating the bend of your platform and significantly increasing the speed of the movement to generate enough power. You should still try to follow through toward your target for accuracy. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure that you share this video with your volleyball friends and teammates who would like to learn advanced bump setting techniques. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more volleyball tutorials and jump training videos, and tap that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
It's recording.
Yeah, I'll let you decide where you want to end there. You're definitely putting that one. No. That's a 4. That's a 4. All the way here. Because you want to do all this is this idea. Don't get lower and go up. Dude, pretty good. Now to get it close to the net. Once you're here, go up and across your right shoulder to get it to the eye. Dude, everybody else, you're picking this up really quickly. So you're going to do that with a little more across the shoulder. Yeah, good correction. Right? More. So the width, the width is really good. Just go more across your shoulder. Yeah.